This keyboard promises a smooth, responsive gaming experience and boosted efficiency for work. But can it really deliver on both fronts? Let's dive in. We're looking at the NEWNAN 104-key mechanical keyboard with blue switches, and right out of the box, it feels like a solid piece of hardware. The build is primarily ABS plastic, which is pretty standard for this price point, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The big draw here is the blue switch. If you're a fan of that classic clicky tactile feedback, you're going to love typing on this. It's satisfyingly loud, which some people adore and others might find a bit much for a shared office space, but for gaming or a dedicated workspace, it's fantastic. The product description mentions it's great for typists, and I can see why. Each keystroke is distinct, and the audible click really helps with accuracy and speed. For gamers, the NKRO or N-key rollover is a crucial feature. It means that no matter how many keys you press simultaneously, the keyboard registers every single one. This is essential for complex game commands, where multiple inputs are happening at once. I tried out some fast-paced games, and the keyboard kept up without any missed inputs, which is a huge relief. The ergonomic design is another point worth mentioning. The keycaps have a sculpted profile, and the keyboard itself has a slight incline, which is further enhanced by the included shelf. This really does make a difference during long typing sessions or extended gaming marathons. My wrists felt noticeably less fatigued compared to flatter keyboards. It's a thoughtful touch that elevates the overall user experience. Beyond the core typing and gaming features, the inclusion of rich multimedia shortcut keys is a nice bonus. Accessing volume controls, play-pause, and other media functions with a simple key combination is incredibly convenient and streamlines workflow. It's those little quality-of-life improvements that make a product feel well-rounded. So, is this the perfect mechanical keyboard for office or home use? For the gamer who also needs a reliable typing tool, it's a very strong contender. The blue switches offer that satisfying tactile and audible feedback. The NKRO ensures no missed commands, and the ergonomic design promotes comfort. It's a versatile keyboard that bridges the gap between intense gaming sessions and productive work. Ultimately, the NEWNAN mechanical keyboard with blue switches offers a compelling package. It provides a satisfying typing experience, robust gaming performance with NKRO, and a comfortable ergonomic design. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a clicky, reliable, and versatile keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.